To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Yeah, just back for business. She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty, despite the spiritual analogy. Some days she's happy, some days she's sad, some days all she thinks about is money. She's on a mission to fulfill her goals. Her heart remains so icy cold. Mama wasn't there for her, Papa wasn't there for her. There's no family that she can call. Some family is bad for business when there's no one to call. Who feels knows it all. She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty.
What go on, man? Long time I not see in that place. What go on? You like I'm sure you older girl, not sure.
I feel style is different now, boy. Yo.
Forward man, rum there, girl there. Vibes always. Place active every night. Nah, see you from when.
Yo, so if you understand is this, you see, in a life, you have to make a stand on certain things. Cause you make it sound like say, you don't understand says that it have to be a reason why I don't want to forward up a certain way. And that the girl, bro, yeah, me owe her money. But me owe her money and thing, and we have full understanding, so I don't feel worried about. You understand me I say? So I show you vibes but more like a place to myself.
So I really club you pray for what?
Yeah, brother. I best way that come on.
No man. You best go invest in this. Look here. Remember say place can be bigger, you know. We can have more girls on the ground. Remember say we can work on that thing you can't open club. We can't. So what you say? It's like you tell me say you know. If you help you build my competition. A competition I want to be. But Rasta, it's like a joke, you joke and thing. Where you take me thing from?
Listen I say. See, it's not about competition or not, but bro, you have a club, me have a club, we can make more money. What if certain things we can keep a party, me endorse here so, and then you endorse my party and then we make more money, brother. It's not a thing where me I try to say competition. Because yes, a competition now, it sound like I want a normal typical black man where there's a fight down the next black man. Eh?
Oh man, watch out man. Me I tell you say, divided, that's how we are going to fall. Because I remember say my girl and your girl are going to be for your girl. Watch out, we put everything together. And more money, more everything. We are going to have more girls. The place are going to large. It's like you're pre too small. Right now, you don't even make sense. Where you come to me with this one?
Bro, me have a friend long time, you know, so it's like say, if me want something for myself to feed my generation separate, because when you make your money, you don't tell how much you make. You tell how much you make, you don't make your money and go on your thing. And you have your girls them, you know, where you can, you know, ropes for night.
That the money they are not for your problem.
No, that me I tell you, brother, so no, that me I say, someone have a, alright, you look at this and I work out, because I guess I know, I don't want you to see me up in my club, and then you go say to me, say, boy, what kind of thing now? I'm going to sound like a better, a bigger business.
Hear me, I say, I don't want no competition, and I don't have like a place. So you know for your blank, so you can't do nothing in this place. You have to go somewhere with that. You know that too.
Yo, see, feel work out forward. So yo, just me go exit round this, see?
Yeah.
Bossy, I don't look at dirty Rasta boy that they woman money.
Who is Rasta?
You see, I'm Rasta will claim say, yeah, my friend.
Wow, see how they say, I know that's time. I tell you to chat just front. Tappy.
Bossy, the next one question. Now me disrespect you know. When me if it have trust front, we know about me and my front.
Yeah,
eh? Not because you have a bad son of it.
We not go there, so we not go there, so we not
As a matter of fact, not about we not go there, so no. Cause you me come find now. Nobody feel like say you're safe, you know, and sanctifying, you know.
So,
Let me ask you one question. As a matter of fact, come on, I want to talk to you.
no, man.
Boss,
You know.
want to talk to you, man.
You know.
Want to talk
Talk to me.
Boss, last night. Why you not call me last night? Eh? Answer my question.
Boss, let me tell you already.
No,
This-
nobody soft talk me, you know.
I know.
Because you come like you're rasta,
Yeah, I catch too much feelings, man. Nah, man, no, man. Nah, calm down, no, man. Your head so hot. I know me, nah.
Look at my face.
See, he run,
Oh, so now you see him. Now you see him, don't it?
Yo, just now, man.
Give me my money.
Watch out, yo, I go.
Give me my money.
Yo, I go on.
Talk fast.
Remember say, you know, you take care.
No, I want the cash.
Me, I got ATM and link you.
Me and you go, come on, we are going to cash. Hello. Girl, I'm glad how you call me. Me say, girl, me not alright. My brain turn upside it down like wall it up on brain right now because me just come from a park club, you know. And look at that boss man. Ever since Pinky she come back, you know, that cool girl, you know. He feel like so if he put me aside and put her front, you know, I put her front, you know. Yeah, girl, I'll give her tip all these things I mean and get no tip. Me say, you know, he hate me having a heart for her, man. Me say, and then look at that Rasta boy, you know, when me guy shop, you know, look at that Rasta boy with all my money, you know, y'all. I run out of shop, you know, I want to buck him, you see. And the day I buck him, he go sorry day meet me. Yeah? Girl, right now me cross, me mad, me ignorant. No? All about him? Me not even want to talk about him, I can't break and paparazzi, you know. Him not nothing fit offer me right now, you know. So me don't want to talk about him. A man that a man too. No, I can't manage Bobby. Wow. Amanda runway. Me don't know Amanda there. So you can ask me. Listen to me. Where come for? I call me for know my business or what? You know so me feel like I want to take on you to dirty girl. Eh? Come on for my phone. You want to come like one bunch of cockroaches. Listen to me. Don't call back my number if you know nothing good for tell me. Say here. I call me for hear my business. You know so me upset at I you see me post for my status, you know. Oh yes, come off of my phone. Yeah, go look up. Yeah, your mother. Yeah. Bright. Remember of your opinion.
Yeah, man, cause me, basically, what go on?
You come to. Hey, bite, what go on? What happened?
Hold on, brother, hold on.
I'm more than a week now, you know, my friend. I'm wanting, I'm ready for it. You tell me, say.
Hold on, General. Yeah, make it sound.
The palm walk on me there, you tell me, say, I like a piece of food come put in my hand. You make me there on the workplace, I wait.
You must soon call it, because the brother come like you know want to calm down. Bro.
No, brother, you know me already, you know. You know, say me no normal, you know, you ramp with me, you know, want me money, you know. Cause, watch out, yo, and the boy when name ISIS, like a plan for me bike, you know.
Alright, yeah, I know you see him on the bike. See? But listen, I say, man, what more intend for do is not to actually make him take the bike longer. Because I'm going to work out some money if you say me can come sort you out. Because long and short, the only thing what you forget are the money for the repair, right?
Right?
Talk to me now,
me take my time to buy things put on the bike and plus to fix it. So you know how much money come up to 50,000 and let me not get $10, you know.
Alright, you mess.
You see, if you
Brother,
or
because
him not get me money or cab up the bike, I got a problem.
but me talk to you, true.
Tell me
Bro,
about
just
talk
relax,
to.
man. You me say, you me
Yeah,
say.
tell me about
I
talk
you
to.
girl come check me, because you me say, man.
You glad me come
Yes,
check you.
listen me say, man. Listen me say, calm down now. Calm down now, brother. You make it sound, it sound so.
Brother.
Come on, up more and little club and
Me
me say,
no
man, come
business
link
where you
you.
want up me. Because you have to shut it down if you up me tomorrow. And me no get my money. Yeah? You see me no get my money by this evening or look more for now. Matter of fact, at what time?
Brother, you sound like you lose it, bro. I mean, I talk to you. The reason why you give me the bike.
At 2:23 now. You see, if me not get the bike by 2:30, I got a problem. You and your friend better hide, you know, because I realize I don't have bench, you know. And watch, you know, me no, yo, watch, you know, don't ramp with me, you know.
Alright,
Don't ramp with me, you know. I change my life through me. I try to be a better person.
Alright.
Bring
Just
out back in.
relax, man. Just
Don't
relax,
tell me
man.
that. Don't tell me to relax.
Me I go shout you.
Don't tell me to relax. I hear. Just when I get my money or
No, that you say,
get
that
my money.
you
or
don't
cab
talk
up
no.
the
I
bike.
don't
And
talk
that-
no.
Oh,
So
don't
don't talk no.
Yo, wonder if you don't know say. Wonder if you don't know say.
Brother, you're going like a bad.
Me say wonder if you know say. I put on certain things. If I saw a thief and I go out with few things, I feel like me not go hear.
Yo, so you know that? Eh? I will tell that story then. Brother, alright, hear me I say.
Wonder if you know say I'm my name.
Alright, easy, I'll make we work it
Wonder if you
out.
know say I'm
Easy,
my
I'll
name.
make we work it out. Easy. See,
Easy,
me I shout the man and we go talk.
Call him now. Want my money now. Just
Yo, which place say there?
2:30.
Phone a ring. Yeah, man. I mean, man. Which place say there? Me I come get a link. Me I come link. See? Yeah, man. I bike situation. But we talk. Me I forward. You see it? Everything alright, man.
No, man. Call him back. Call him back now and
Just
tell him
relax,
to carry.
man.
No.
Just relax, man.
Tell the man to carry bike. Yes, son. No. Watch out, man.
Yo, hear me, I say. Hear me, I say.
What time me tell you? What time to what time me tell you say me want my
Yo,
money?
me tell you something. I borrow
What time
bike.
to what time me want my money or the bike? What
Yeah,
time
I
me tell
get
you?
your money, but you
Me
waste
say
my-
what time? You tell me about me.
But you
waste
waste
time.
you waste your time right now, bro. Ease the man. Me no want no problem, bro. That me I tell you, me I try ease.
So what go give me problem?
I don't know, but I give you problem. Yo, just ease the man. I show me.
You not tell me about you go rental. You go put up club.
I want business. Me I try start.
Business.
All right.
My business I go down some phone if you go up so.
Me I get the
oi,
money. Me I get the money.
Give me it now.
You got the money for me right now.
You don't know where I go from yesterday and you come borrow a bike from me if you give that the thief in boy then. You see it? Me used to thief and me change my life. Because I want a better for me and my wife.
All right, cool.
I know you I can't tell me say.
Just easy, man. That's all right. Come on, forward.
Me now move from here so.
Then turn there.
And watch I know. You see if me ever count to 10 and now can my money come. Me I go lift up back with there something that me don't want to lift up in there. Tell you now.
Yeah, man. What go on, my general?
Yeah,
What you see, say, I'm on your word, you know, daddy.
man.
Believe man, big up yourself for that, you know. And then me there wait for a little connect. Yes, I go on.
Me I shout you from this because me you see thing I'm doing with the bike.
Man, I wrong number they call, man.
Alright, hear me I say, man. The thing I'm doing with the bike, you need to sort out the situation. Come say 1 week now, you know. 1 week past now. So what you plan for do?
Boy, you see right now, you see I didn't even text me because nothing even go on fear. Right now, I want a little piece of hustle me there wait for. You see me? See me there go and listen if I them a beat little drum. A little piece of hers me there wait for. Big woman.
Alright, remember say me
You see
name.
me?
Me name. My reputation, everything up on the line. So what you have to go do is that either you bring back your man bike, see?
Yeah.
And go start out that, or you start out a piece of
But
food.
watch out,
Because-
you are
Yo,
going
give me
on,
the
man.
Hold on, man. If you understand me, I say to you.
Yes,
Right,
yeah,
right, wrong,
yeah,
wrong.
yeah. Right, wrong, yes, that
So
right.
what
Watch
you plan
out.
to make it right?
But me tell you, say nothing already your reputation, cause that thing there, bury. So that not gonna speak about again. But
You
what
know-
me tell you, say, Bulby, in a real life, Bulby have to do so whole life like a bit that they gonna say Bulby gonna care more money problem than nobody else. But remember say you're a bigger issue than Bulby. Me a bigger issue than Bulby. Say me Bulby pressure your brain.
Right now, me not have an issue. Yeah, issue what you create for my.
Remember good thing. Remember good thing. If you want Bulby now when need my buy properly, you know. You will not a situation. Say you try to share, say I feel him fault, you know.
What do you mean the situation properly? What are you talking about?
Remember say a Bulby.
You get the money bike, you fix the bike.
And I know bike can fix.
Yeah, so your bike, I go start out, but guess what now? You no pay the man
Some
money, so what you expect?
Some me fi pay a man, fi a bike can fix. No fix if you fix the bike for me pay him.
Pay the man and make the man know say boy ropes.
No man, that general shipping the point, I want raise price for me too.
I no matter raise price, but if I understand say, business are business. Alright, you make it. Long and short, you just have to take your bike there and carry it.
Me no, that is how I go down. Me tell you, it's a hustling me did right now. First I go left my fracture right now. That must me have to give you a fair thing, you know. You know, so me not give you a fair thing yet.
I don't really want nothing. I don't tell you ready from morning, so I just have to make sure so you
come like first you want first me know that.
Alright, I say. Link you man, because I left man down at my place alright. So me can go to my yard right now. And that me I try to show you. Man link me down at my place and say ropes. And me I say to myself, say boy, yeah, in right because me get the bike just to do a little errand and trust me. No, me can't get back no more favor from Bulby now. So all that look for me now.
Man, know yourself bad man. Me saw a bike, you know, can't get a bike, you know. You worry about Bulby at the top, make that man fret up your brain. Watch that man, if you know, here we go on. The circle block of me always a black staff.
Brother,
and just go on with the vibes. Zane, me a come girling.
Listen me I say man, hold on.
Make the man pressure your brain.
Hold on 1 second. Yeah.
Man I come like you afraid about it. You man jam man daddy. Jam man boy. Come like finally to get to fear brain.
Yeah. We don't put aside them man. What you say?
Yankee them man.
We can get through the... Yeah man, we want to get through the place man.
Boy, you want bike.
At the same time, yeah, me I talk about. Yeah man, so as I said...
Yankee boy.
That's the case.
Like you want to come thief like a Jamaica too.
Yeah.
But you want bike. Me want thief like with him.
Yeah man, what can I say? Yo, how you doing?
Wham. Bad man, I show me a share send on the bike to car. The amount of money me spend on this bike here. Forget it, they run so now. So all right, here. Me start in a key. Here. You hear that?
Yo, you go.
Rasta youth! Rasta youth! Please walk. The man there now to bone. Yeah, what him could have done? So I feel like I don't chatting to me not today, you know, man. More money today, you know. I carry bike, you know. It's me a take away in life, you know. Like the one that we name ISIS. Know me I go do. In love the club, you know. Now if you're still forward, you know. That me you. You know what I'm to sing.
Rasta!
Oh, see it now.
What you do over here?
Rasta.
What you do over here, sir?
What me I do over here, so? But lucky say me no do woman things. You lucky say me no bother.
What me by that?
Yeah, but what me mean? What you do ya?
What me I do ya? How that affect you when me I do ya? I come to deal with business. I work. I don't have time for time wasters and you are time waster.
See free for a long time still, you know.
Me always see you too.
See free for
So
a long
what you do ya? Eh?
What me I do ya?
You come and ask me what me I do ya.
What me I do ya?
Answer the question.
What me I do ya?
Listen to me, Bulby. Me not have time for this. Rasta did the arena the day.
Me ask you something, and me I come ask you Rasta.
Yeah, me see you
And me I come ask you Rasta.
I see you here.
But the one thing man, me kill you and Rasta.
I bet you.
Me kill you and Rasta. Watch out,
I'm
man.
not time for your bulb. I be more chatty have you know for our day, you know. I mean I realize you know.
Alright.
What kind of prayer you depend?
Oh, yourself, man. All is well. Wanna go on enjoy and look
Me
at time when
realize the
left.
whole of no man, you know. The whole of not go on like you can play around me, you know, and feel like say all is well, you know. Rasta! And my money me come for. Rasta! Where you tell me for shoot for? Oh yeah, next woman in there.
Inga,
If Ugan. And where you Balvina? Where you look for Balvina?
Listen to me, me and Bobby ain't nothing.
So what?
What like I said, the man me talk to you.
Talk.
Alright, you man say, see? One little situation go down where we go have, you know, one little link and we go link him and me borrow one bike and me, the brother supposed to bring up the bike. So here we go, long and short. Forget about him, him good.
And my money may come, but just give me money, me go and run my business. We don't know long talking.
Now that man like what they love to listen. And if you listen, you can't hear me I say.
But me
Right
have
now,
to
listen,
listen.
I say, right now I want club more open up. For
And
myself, I'm brand new.
so that affect
Club.
me about club.
Because
Give me money.
Me say I'm glad you follow because you me fi check because I want manage in the club.
Manager.
Yeah, for run the
Manager for
club.
every club.
Yes.
I run the money part too.
No, no,
Yeah,
run the money
like,
part. No, run the money part. The money part, alright, me gonna have somebody different for that. But you gotta run like a bar and the bartender man control the girl and go up on the stage and them something there. You understand me? I say that me I talk about. So it go be different. So you go in charge. You know if you can do it?
me no feel
You
say
know
me
feel say
can do
can
it.
do
Me
it?
know say me can do it, you know, but me can't manage it, you know.
No, and no matter manage is about say you gotta manage a club. And when you deal with that, that's a big promotion for you. Imagine you make all say you're 150,000 a week and you're not.
And that's a good deal still because bossy. Nah, go on good.
Boss, you know about boss could be say that's some person. Jesus Christ. You know, I'm long to see though. I'm long to see when I tell God never truth. You know, on the jail alone know what go on.
So give me money.
Alright, you may say. The club will open very, very soon. So the money part, don't worry about the money part. Imagine say, me owe you 40,000 now, and you owe about 40,000 now, and you can make 150,000 a week by running the thing.
But
Think
every
about that,
time
man.
we come at this,
Eh? And no matter what this or that, it's just that you understand and your heart believe it. Because guess you know, if something wrong me I tell in your mind, you know, you go definitely know say boy, I rubbish me attack, you know you can trust me a certain way. Then I want alright, one place run us a name, use the name Scrubber Dog. No name Striptease. That a my name. That a my brand. That a my thing. So you know say Striptease. You know get it?
yeah, me get it.
So when I say to you, say, long to see man, go catch up man. We
No,
need to catch up.
no.
No, listen me I say, the best thing in life is you get a good sort out night daytime. You see sun hot. Everything nice. Come in with that man. Sickle your mind a little bit. Me a porridge on it, you know.
No problem.
Come in. You feel now?
Yeah.
I tell you man, everything I go work out. You know so I say go. You regular now. Me a call you, you don't call me.
What?
Oh you let me chill.
It depends just how I take up it. Me did all gear it. Where you go?
So give me
Wait. A thief you want to call me?
Me will never call a thief.
One thing with me now, see, when me left out of my mother's house, it better me go sell what God give me than thief. You understand me? So no paint them picture the palm me too out and bright.
I not say that, but me
My
say.
mother no grow me as a thief.
I just say me I say that's all, but me just not understand why you in your hand so long.
And what
You
you
know-
mean by me not fi call you?
Because if you call me, why
This
call me
feel
wrong
like
time?
no business we are doing now. This feel like say me a day.
Well, if you want to call it, so call it, so, but me I don't tell you what me call it. Me I do business. You understand?
So pay me for you do business.
Baby girl, me don't tell you I get paid already, but your pay go different.
That
a
will
due
take
time.
too
It
long.
not take too long. You know me up in the club? You know
When
me the
you
from
open-
morning I try to
when-
start
when you
out.
open-
Tomorrow, I place done set already, people lock down in place and change
Why
everything.
you so
me
lie?
buy out the place. Just relax, man. Think I'm alright. See? Right? Me give you money later, me make a deal here.
You're not going to give me no money. So, oh, you push me to your yard
Me
now.
not push you to
No,
your
true,
yard.
you get where I want. You see you? You see you?
What?
Your day go come, you know.
What you mean day? What you
Your
mean
day
day?
go come.
But the curse of
Alright.
your business, man.
What you mean by curse and baby?
I
Listen
know.
to me, I not mix and mingle with this. The rest of them believe in this.
I'm saying my porridge. I put on my porridge for the fire.
I know
Later.
me tell her to put on porridge and come
So I
out
can
here.
go on. Alright, come on. Just do it. See?
Listen to me.
Just do it, you know.
What you say? Tomorrow up in
Tomorrow
the
a place
So when time
right
me start
up,
work.
right on a white house.
So when me I start
tomorrow
work.
you start working in charge.
So me have to talk to my boss first.
If talk to him and make him know say oops. Simple as that.
And make you know say you go take me over.
That's cool. I'm going to start with my porridge later.
The car dirty, man. When me tell Mungus to clean the car, what me a pay man for? That me a pay man for just sit down. Like you actually speak, man. I walk on me now. Walk on me now, cause right now, can't go there and sit there now. Man, to clean the road. What go on? What you say? Seriously? Hold on, here what go on. I find out what go on and link you back. I don't understand what go on. Call a girl. Yo, link me now. When you forward, you find out, man. Just link me now. Cause I really need to get me. Yeah, link me, man. Link me right now, right now. Here one thing, I just get a call. So I tell you I can't talk on the phone. Cause right now, everything just go bad. Everything go bad.
So I can't everything I go. What kind of tone that boss? I don't understand that.
But alright, watch out. Hear me tell you now. If from all here nothing now go my way. Everything I go bad. Man want compete with me in my club. Girl get shot. Bag of thing. Right now, Pinky get shot. And I know you don't like her, you know. I know you don't like a bone in her.
I don't understand why you come up with the boss. You go talk about.
I ask you.
Baby. You go say, man want compete with you with bar, right? You say,
I never
we
ask
no
you
bossy. You say man want compete with you with bar, right? You say girl get shot in your bar, right? And my business that all of them are sitting there affect me.
Remember say a club, you know. A club is all about making money and you love money.
Yeah, me love
Remember
money.
say you know me make your day some money, make your day as I said.
Yeah.
So where you
Where you are trying? And you forget 3 pints. And you call me, you know, in ignorance, you know. I'm rich, I say, you know, face you dead there. Bossy, my face you analyze, you know. When I run, come and say, you know.
Yeah, watch out.
Get 3
Sitting
pints, man.
Sitting up to Pinky.
So-
We need to find out how I'm going.
So what I'm doing?
I ask you because I know say you don't like her and a badness you pray for all day.
I don't like her and a badness me up
You can't talk to me now.
I can talk to
You
you.
can't talk
Talk to
you
you
can't
about
talk
my
to
bossy.
me.
Me
Alright, watch out.
mental
Watch out. Remember
mental
saying it. Alright, watch
problem.
out. Remember saying me and you, me head up on a level, all do your things, yeah, alright. Pinky a competition. Pinky is no competition. Pinky is just Pinky. And you know, say me you're good. So you can't just talk to me, just tell me what I'm going how I'm here.
Bossy,
Oh,
I mean, I want to say to me right now.
right now, I not even know if you think. I don't know if you think. Because I get one piece of money and it come like a pay crosses falling in here, man. A pay crosses.
Bossy,
Right now, Pinky.
I can't come if you tell me about Pinky.
Anyways, right now.
No, in your brain space, me feel like you want to ask me say what me do to Pinky, you know.
Like that time, man.
But let me tell you something.
If you don't know, you don't know,
Listen
man.
to me, man. Me not like Pinky for true, you know. And everybody know that they can see it in my face and in my heart and my soul and body. But me now go take up myself and do nothing to a girl or a boy. You understand that? Me we chat but me not do nothing.
So what you do with the piece of money we you take? Cause you know, make it on, man. Make it on. Make that
By
time.
the
Make
way,
that
by the
time.
way,
Make
so
that
what you
time.
say happened to Pingy? They analyze him Mara.
Yeah, man. That
Then
man.
oh God, me sorry for you.
Right now.
So bossy, like when I'm gone, the money you usually give me now.
I really that you can talk about, you know, me I tell about death. Me I talk about when somebody gone.
So if somebody got what me can do about that bossy, me can't carry back the person after me no Jesus.
Yeah, no. You know, the best you can go yeah, man. Make it on. You can't.
Me have something to talk to you about, you know. Guess what? Somebody want me to be a manager at them bar, you know. So, I go left your place because I guess after what they be a sideline I put me on, you know. And that the person they see potential in me, so I'm going to take the opportunity, you understand me? So,
Somebody.
yeah, somebody.
Why?
But see, you have me, you know, deal with me right. So, somebody else see me and say, yo, you know, I say rope straps. And I just say, alright, I'll talk to my boss. If I did some girl that they just gone and not say nothing to you, know, but you see through me loyal, me have to come.
Yeah, come and work later.
Me not coming. Me quit.
Yeah, the man make me start analyze people. You can't play the business. You can't play my business.
Yeah, just back for business. She's for the streets, just living life with no apology.
Things I mean, I joke somebody.
From
Play business with the pun.
despite the spiritual analogy. Someday she's happy, someday she's sad.
Yo. Yeah, man. There, man, there. Yeah, so I say for your thing active, not sure? Wow, me happy for you, man. I feel no way, man. I true me there, but you know, you happy for you, man. Yeah. And that not great sitting, man. Some girl are forward. Wow. Yeah. Nothing wrong. And but say for me thing I got have things to do, you know. So you know matter a competition, you know. There is a competition. I know competition, man. Normal free. Yeah, man. So here I go on. Go check me look more we have a drink, celebrate, you know. In an hour about, yeah, man. Check me, man. Call someone you know. You feel like say. Feel like see something badness come now. Come on, alright, yo, I go. Yo, check me now. No. I have one mission for you, man. But just check me now, man. Remember, say you know some of your business, man, and I mean no lay business. I don't lay business with the fun, man. Check me, man. Alright. Yeah, man. Right eye club. Check me eye club. No, you know. Like no. Okay, check me like the next 5 minutes. Check me now. Left that, man. I have serious business. You know what I don't have petty money. Yeah, man. What your father talk about that? Dead, my dead.
Bad man, can't believe me. I walk up the whole place. I can't call him again still. God, no, you. Can't believe so I say really a deal, man, that I may try to do right. God, no, you. Hello? Yes, me call a friend. Yes, they make sure I call you. I can't get you to say a deal, man, daddy. John, no, you. Well, yeah, me wrong. Me shouldn't go up your business place. But remember, say, mama, you did the youth good, you know. I an old woman, remember, have a cook oxtail for me and some style, you know. Rub down all my back and some style, you know. So me can't just make it thing just go so. I have to try. I have to... Yeah, them are sitting there. Me see it your work rate, man. Your boss, you love, you know me? Jaja, yeah there. So they say you're not learning a girl. Or if you go do business in a car with man, brother, pussy man, them go hurt your little girl. Yes, I say done. A regular day still not come, you know. I just not give it a last try. I try, and it fail, so. What am I do? Better out there for me too, man. And you alone better out there for man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, for me look a whole back go in my future. But I'm my future forever. You so see me drive past in a car too, man. Yeah, remember good. Wicked girl, yo. Turn one up.
Start business, you have to make sure you start it proper, you know. You know what I'm saying? So long and short, I can just forward up a Nick and show me and say, mommy, come link him up.
Up a where?
Up a Nick.
So I'm to feel a bar.
No, that's how we deal with man, that's how you get ready and sitting.
I don't like this. Why you want to go link up Nick?
Yeah, because the man said come check him, so the big deal.
No.
What mean no?
Remember saying a competition in with Nick now, you know. And listen to me. In we friend right now. Suppose I want to chop your walk, you know.
What kind of chop? Nick not stay so. And also Nick stay in a
you
female
never
style.
A man change by click at the hour. What you talk about? Listen to me. You want me to manage your business, no? Me still have to manage you. Me not behave like me your woman, you know. But you have to have somebody to guide you and protect you. You understand me I say? You have to have somebody who have your back. And them man they not have your back because them have fees and you want to run them out of business.
Ah, boy. Listen to me. I and I connect with Zion. Means that 100% say, boy, I'm going to tell you, I'm a Rastafarian. I'm fear no man, no guy. You understand me? I say, I walk with Jah. And I walk with Jah, I step with Jah. And my thing that. That's why I say, boy, I want to do my own thing. And have you control it down there, so. You get to me, I say?
I understand what you say, no. But not all the time God strive with man.
Well, that's true, but that's how we pray. You know, if I say God, what is to be has got to be. When I hear time, I hear time.
Don't go up there. Go on down back. Just no go down back and don't go do what we have to do.
And then when he knows the boy him shout, me mama say no, me don't talk to him, you know.
Make him stay. A business you deal with now, you know, your business have to come first.
No, that's why it will come first. After this, everything will start.
Jesus, I just feel like you want to build a friendship with Nick when Nick don't want a friendship with you.
But you know that.
I'm a boss, me know how he stay.
Because
he corrupt.
I'm not thinking corrupt, wrong somebody.
Let me tell you something. Cow never know when you say until it cut off. You hear?
What do you mean cow never?
Alright.
A cow you call me. This is not a coincidence.
You see when leaf drop a water bottom and at the same time rotten. Can't say me never want you know. And you myself go on and you alright, go on.
You see, what you need to understand, there's a next side to the story. You see, when you think negative will follow. Thoughts attract that upon which is directed. You get a proper sort out. The sort out we get, you say a best one. Now that you say a while ago. And you're ready for work.
Yeah, we're ready for work. I best one that, yes, but sometimes when you feel listen, you know.
No matter listen, me a man. Make a man be a man, yeah? Don't try to run that man's shoes.
Sorry.
You understand me I say?
It's okay. But me know my boss. Me know how he stay.
You're gonna say same thing.
Remember saying no?
You know your boss. You know he stay.
No, listen. Remember saying no? I work with that man for 6 years. Me and Pinky used to close, right? Remember saying choose Pinky over me, you know. Pinky left, he put me at first, you know,
Me
and
never
then
know all of that. Me no
Pinky
busy
come
about
back, he put back Pinky did it. So you never know how man stay.
Alright, make it time.
Me always have him back, but yet he put me on
Hey, if
sideline.
you go and talk to me, I forget one more now. You see me I say. Me go forward.
You have to
Down
give me
so.
one. You better give me one more and I can steal.
Yeah, that I think you have to think about money. You have to other think
Then
about
the money me I think about.
easy man, easy. We talk, yeah? Me a shout. Alright?
Just be careful, that's all I can say.
Yeah, man. You hear about it, and you say, yeah, man for car.
No, sir, I don't know where you talk.
I got go on, so man.
No,
Me
yeah,
say, yeah, the man, man.
Right,
Yeah, the man.
what we here?
Anything for
You have
crush.
a bike for fix.
No, man.
Then where you talk about?
Not because, man. That role, man. I know say you do that sitting there, man. I'm tell you, man. I don't know. A real source, I know say, if me have something for dirt, I are the man for car. Yeah, man.
Who tell you something?
Me have 100,000. Want something come off my map.
What you say you have?
I'm saying,
What you say you have for that?
80,000 me have.
No, sir. Me not do the entire work this.
90,000.
No, sir, me not do the work there. Bike me fix, my friend. I know how long me tap the day, send anybody tell her wrong news.
Here I go, here I
What
go.
you know?
100,000 and you get a girl. And a buckle of rum. No questions asked. You don't have to worry yourself. You just work crush. Everything come clean. You don't have to worry
That's
yourself.
true right now. Me short of money and I hit a ball on me right now. You know. So.
Money I know a problem when I say we're rich.
How you want?
Yo.
How you? Me say how
here.
there.
Look here.
Talk to me now, man.
You hear about the new club up there, so sure.
No, say a long time I do road certain way, I not to go certain place.
Yeah, I
at
go
one
on.
time. I want.
A new, no, here I go. I know a new club up so. Or Rasta.
Rasta.
Fire, yeah.
Fire.
Yeah, man. You don't know him.
Rasta.
Here I go on. You don't have to worry about that. You're sending all that information. More you take him off a map. Here I go on. You might pull up yourself in the next. In the next 20 minutes. Yeah, man. Me have a nice piece of fire gear. You don't have to worry.
No, man. No worry about
Wipe him up. Alright. If you come off a map, you see up there, so up there, so the laptop. Make it disappear. Make it disappear.
Just let me know how still, because you see, him a forward. I just showing me
Yeah, man.
me a look aside.
Yeah, I go. Yeah, what? Me no know what me fi do, you know. You are the man for your mission, so you have to just do it right.
You just say something, put up your hand or something, or you know, one little sign.
Yeah, I go on. You see, as in pull up, and him have a drink, and signal you. You see, as in step out.
No problem, man. Nah, man, 1 3 that.
Do the dirt. You see, you want a down payment.
Now, so I'm like, do my thing and collect everything one time. So you tell me about down payment, it don't make sense.
Remember saying the money, I know a problem.
No, man, I know say money only a problem because I come for my money anyway, taking me want my money. Because me what's a crime, you know?
You're good, man. Just do the dirt. With the forward, you collect your money. Remember, you spend some money for the girl. Because the man there, nice girl there, said you know. Yeah, man. Oh, you can buy one buckle of rum, said you. Just do it right, man.
You don't tell me say I want buckle of rum figure.
You buckle of rum there, man. I never remember. Just do the right. Man, just do the right now, man.
I'm feeling work on the man not reach yet.
Alright, sorry. You are going. Me link you. This just I want thing come off a map. You see? You can't take on my girl, man. Take on my business and face it. Yo, just do the right now, man.
this. 2 in 1. What we are doing? Come here.
Bad man, but yo,
Yo, stop it nice. Chew me a mechanic and feel like a bike alone, me scrap and fix up. Like the boy, I'll sell something out of it, watch it. Alright. And one that. And one next one, the Rasta boy, hurry up and forward.
How go on, man?
Oh, man.
You good?
Yes, sir. Everything active, that's sure.
I mean, everything up and running, man.
I'm sorry for your record here, man. I know what I say.
No, you're right now. Me not blame you because me I think about it on a human form and say, you know, a man might feel a way like me I intervene in a business because, you know, it's like a competition for real because you have, me have, and me might get to, you know, some of your girl, them out of the case maybe and I'm something else, so it might feel that way. But no, a businessman, we share the thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So you say you have a drink? Because you can celebration, you know?
Yeah, man.
Because a drink one is liquor special still.
No, man. Right now, Corona Oil, I drink. Corona Oil.
Eh? You know, it's a good time, a long time I drink and still. Give me, but, over a cup. I don't know if I'm cup. Let's give me one cup, man. A brand new cup.
So one cup, man. So one cup. Okay, man. Celebration time.
A real thing, boss.
We get some ice.
No ice. Yeah, man. Boom, yo, boom good for me, man.
I want to go there.
Boy, you know, long more hold you.
What do you mean, man?
Yo, you mean hold you?
Yo, Nick, I want to go, Nick.
Yo, not go nowhere, man. Forward in that place, to man. More.
Yo, Nick, what is that, Nick? Yo,
tapping nice, man. I'm telling you.
Let me say tapping there. We are talking about, brother. Yo, I'm gonna for me. Yo, easy, man. Just easy. Yo, easy, man. Whatever you do, it's a wrong, brother. Me and a friend, bro.
Yeah,
Long time
friend.
far where I come from, you know.
Far
From foreign. I must say, you pick me up at airport, you know, when we get deported, you know. Eh?
Me and the man that is a businessman.
What I mean, so, yo, let's easy.
Take your vibes out there, some man. We don't have to have a business place, man. Yo,
Easy, man. Easy, brother. Easy.
How you feel like? Hey, boy. And the woman here say I sleep.
No, man. Yo, understand what
Then I go on.
You hear me, I say, a business we deal with, bro.
Business,
So, you know, say,
okay.
yeah, man, me never know say a woman like that. After me hear that, brother. Easy, man.
More.
No, you hear me, man.
Man.
Alright, how much them pay?
Much them pay
How
me.
much you me give? Me triple it, brother.
Nobody no pay me.
You pay, yeah?
When you pay me for the boy, let me tell you say you have a bike. You didn't pay me when you say you're broke, you don't have no money.
Just ease them,
Let me
man.
tell you say me I stay your place. You tell me say, me can go on.
Alright. No, hear me, I say, the past life, the past life. Just past life, man. Easy, man. Just think about where you're, brother. Just yo, consider where you're, man. Talk to me.
Talk to you.
Who this here? The man this here, now. The man this here.
Watch out, man. I'm money I want, you know. I don't want you going in and touch it.
Remember say I paid me come pay your money me come here. Oh yeah, Musa, man. Remember say yeah, man, I'm like you dealt with crime.
But you're going to touch me. I know say money for
Watch, here I go on.
Right.
You are the man. You are the man. Me like, yo, your daddy with me too rough. You're like, yeah.
Yeah, deal with the rough.
Bro, yeah, the man. Come here, tell us me I come off I see it. Cause I don't like certain things and I don't like see certain things. You know? So you should just make me go on. I remember say you don't know, say. You don't, yeah. You have to push your money. You don't even check your money. Or you know say money. You have to know say money correct.
But if you correct, me have to come back to you.
Yeah. But see you think good enough. Because we don't have an agreement. We don't have an agreement. For the in 90 and the buckle and something.
So where you buckle it? You don't know say you not afford if you carry buckle. Where you get it?
Yeah, club you have to afford to get there. Sitting there. You expect me to check you with buckle and gas.
Club.
How am to this man? Remember saying, I'm on the talk and bullshit to it. I do a man who do dirty work still. I have to respect you, you know? We give you enough respect. Because you are the man. Watch one night, oh you go to booms and do it dirt. You know, I want to tell you yesterday, you poured you and I go so ping. You just pop. By the time I think say, the man dead already. me think say man gone. Because me there in a place that I go and wait for the man and then me hear bye. And me say my bum borders, how I go on? And then me see man pull up. Me have said no sir. Like a ghost.
It's a bite, man. Remember a nigga today, you know, but as a chat about that, the same time when I do a murder for you, forward back at the place, me I look for see where you go. Like a run off like a to man.
Why? I go at ATM, man.
ATM
ATM.
I go.
Yeah, man, at ATM.
ATM I go.
Yeah, I go angle the money and make sure say all is well. Still, make it tell her them count the money.
Tell her them count.
And
So tell her go count 100,000.
I them count, you know, me never count
Watch
it.
out, man, you say call me again, make sure say you up your money, you know, my friend, because I do murder for 100,000, because I charge you me hungry day too, you know. Like all yesterday, hungry. Today, I know say me I go eat something nice.
Remember saying, watch out. Here I go on.
What go on?
Yeah, I deal with me like say me a punk. Say,
No, I never say you're a punk. Yeah, you're a boss, is a boss, but you're not my boss.
Here I go.
You're not my boss, my friend. You're a girl and boss in this.
Me have a thing for your crush differently for me. And you're going to do it for free. Because right now, you see this here? Watch out. No, me talk, man. You're a moose. Let me tell you, you're a man, you know. Let me tell you,
yeah, you're a man, but watch out, man. No, yeah, man, you run cheat. You run on certain things, but you don't run me. Me a bad man, my friend. Me, yo, know what you're talking, my friend. Any business, any mission, me I go pan money off right. Else me a forward back at your place and you not go like it after effect. You know, me come like eternity do them, you know, my friend. Me sweep everything, you know.
What am I sure
everything,
police
you know.
footage?
You tell me about sure police matter of fact. You have a feature at your place. There's something for you too, you know, cause no, me circle you matter of fact. Me circle you.
Oh, Moose. Punk now, black me. That man for doing it kind of for me. Oh, like him gonna live long. Yeah, man. You know, say, if you tell you the truth, though, like you want you back at my place, no disrespect. I know, say, you're not involved in certain things. And you see, for your father at my place and do that, it's like all the money you give me come with crosses. Yeah, man. And a violation thing, man. I want to tell you, man, you come and push violence for me. I tell you the truth. Watch, I remember saying, you know, we are a friend, you know. You mean by me, I am a friend. Alright, I know I'm all free. Remember say, we are business associate then. You see it? But me I tell you the truth, because I lose too much business. I lose two of my girl them. One of them run off. Problem here, man. I can't take that. Me I tell you the truth. Can't take that. Nah, man, no violation, man. I watch it. I don't have my niece I can check me. I soon talk to you, pretty girl. I soon talk to you. Here, Uncle deal with business, you know. Here, I soon talk to you, man. I soon talk. Here I go on. Here we have page about car, you know.
Ay, sa piece I can't hold it no more. Jaja. That morning, me leave a call for my girl neither, you know. Call her, call. We go on. And then girl feel like she make me forget about her, you know. Go on now, baby. What you mean now with this? No must ball be a wire man. See you. Baby, watch out, get piece of food now, you know. And you get one nice bike, the permanent now, you know, baby, so you know, so you can make up money from the side, see you, you know, don't. Right now, I left all the mechanic working, you know, baby, because I don't feel like say that I do me no good, you know. Yeah, man. Right now, a building me start, me get a contract work to go to building and say, you know. No, sir. No, man, I'm a contractor for your place. I should show me know about the place and know about the trade when I do. Yeah man, then give me a contract and say to just get cleaning and just, you know, just wipe up certain things and do certain things. Yeah man. No sir, you know say I tap me tap on the road and piss and say me I go shut a piss do and then you come to mine at the time and me I say no sir. Yo, me no like to talk them sometime, you know, girl. Next thing to tell me say I come link me, I come tell me about no. You can't manage to me liar than one bag. No baby, me don't lie to you. No lie. Why you think me don't lie? Alright, watch out now. Come check me. I have something for you nice. Me making money, you know. Right now, I GD, where say buy me a car buckle of rum too. No, me have a buckle of rum in my yard because I forgot collect a buckle of rum too. No, matter of fact, me I go buy a buckle of rum because I don't even think me I go back around this stuff you know. Yeah man. Alright. Love you. Mwah. See you. Alright. No, sir. I tell my woman say, me get money. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 70, 75, 80, 90,000. You know 100,000 boy if you give me? No sir. I want to rest of my money now too. Around them I go right now. Feel like I saw you go. He's a man, me no do things and feel. Man, feel man, I go for my money. Feel like me, yeah.
Oh, this place I don't even have a name. 24-hour video.
Good night.
Yo, sir.
Only the definite. Oh, customer already.
Customer.
Yeah, good evening, man.
Yeah, man. Good evening, sir. You're the proprietor here?
Yeah, man. You
Oh,
know, business. Because we have one heap of girl here now. Enough girl.
Your name, Nick?
Yeah, how you know my name? How you know me from?
All right, no worry yourself, boss, man. Anyway, this place here look like it breach every protocol there is, man. Eh? I don't even see a license on here where you're selling alcohol or nothing or so forth, so I don't understand what I'm going.
How you? I don't understand how you can question my business. What you talk about?
Anyway, a papers me come here to serve for that place because, as I say, it breach every protocol. You look around here and notice the area where you operate business here, sir?
It's a good area, perfect area for business.
This
business
is
has been great.
This is a residential area if you don't know, you know. And you can't be operating places like these here.
Well, you know, so my thing up to date still, you know.
I'm not really up to date, but as a...
Watch out. The people them in the area know say my thing active and I don't have a problem with nobody. Everything active, man. I'm pure, man.
But everybody have problem with you. Why we getting these complaints? Nice abatement act, eh? You have girls all but look at the area. And you bring down the area, my youth. You understand?
Maybe
This place have to lock, man. You have to lock.
Hold on. Remember, say money ain't no problem, you know.
Money ain't your problem?
Yeah, man. Much money on. Just start number. Give me a number.
Oh. But you know, say me is an officer. You don't know that. You know, say me can't charge you for bribe. Eh? I should have record you. Oh, you know, have nothing much to say now. Eh? You're so through.
Let me see what you're on this.
Looking right. You can't, hold on. Let me ask you first. You can't read?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Like one called style, man. Thing. I know someone rich. Lockdown. Yo, this a figure reverse, you know.
Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself, man. You can't. Anyway, it's yours. And you keep it. Me only want to know, say me hand it to you. You see me? As a matter of fact, hold on. What time is it now?
Time early, man. I'm here.
So it's a 24-hour place I run. It seems that way. Hold on. Give me a minute. Well, it seems like you have everything going good in here anyway. Well, listen to me. This little place here, everything going feet. You have a room around there, eh?
It's a business.
You have license for hotel?
Man, me's a businessman.
You're a businessman?
I make things happen as a businessman.
Oh. Alright, hear what now. Cut the thing short. Real reason why I'm here. Zane? Because somebody in here so get unalive and the next person get shot. You don't know about
So
that?
yeah, say I don't mean to do that.
No, I don't have to say you're do it, but it's your establishment. We can't allow that to occur around here.
We no shot nobody, officer. We are talk about.
You not for yourself do the act, you know. But at the end of the day, what kind of establishment you say you earn?
It's a business. How much them pay you?
How much, who pay me? Government? Me's alright, man. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, boss, man. Anyway, as me say, me not leave here without, at least me ensure you get your thing, boss, man, and this place will have to close. You have to go like that. You understand? You have to go find some other business. Or move, you go somewhere else. But you can't work here, so. You can't work around here, so.
Man, go mash up the business.
And you mash up the place.
Me never tell them for dead, you know.
You never tell nobody for dead? Boss, man, have a good day. Alright, me need the panta pie something, so you know who to call and what to deal with, alright?
My money, I know a problem, you know.
You come like say you want me stick a charge for you, know.
Have a good day. Have
Alright.
a good day.
Yeah, man, cool.
Problem.
Yo, you know, go on.
Me give her if you get ready, you know, so I'm Musa.
Come
I
here,
know I
move.
pay a problem, you know, so I don't understand.
Be a problem, what you talk about problem? What's that man, what that?
What do you
You
mean by
can
what?
shot, you can shot man money. You can shot man money. What kind of style that?
90,000, 100,000 we agree upon. I hit there
Bad
and
man, you see all man like a you know youth.
I'm tell the girl.
You see all man like a you
Alright.
youth.
Yeah,
Youth.
go on.
I want to tell you youth.
Yeah.
I want to give me money youth. How you feel like?
The
Where
money-
buckler rum there? Are you
The-
place
the-
me
the-
there? Where
the-
buckler? Where girl there?
You're right now, watch her.
I don't want to see nothing there, sir. My business me come about. I don't want you to tell me about
Right
your
now,
business.
right now, my business place get locked down, brother.
You
Right
tell me
now,
about business
my
place get locked
favorite
down.
girl dead, brother. Watch her. I'll pay a problem. Just check my back. Check my back, man. Check my back. You check my back now. Check my back. Yeah, I get the rum. Me rum in there.
You don't hear what me I say. You don't hear what me I say, don't. You don't hear what me I say.
Watch her. Me happy say.
Yo, look here now. Let me talk. Watch out now. You
Yeah.
go up on a mission for you.
You're going.
Oh, watch out now, man.
Yeah, me I take your money and you just bring him back alive. Sorry for... Man, right now I'm confused. Me tell you the truth. Cause right now, the business get locked down. The favorite girl just gone, so. And right now, you come.
Boy, you know how me be.
Remember say we not have no money problem. Remember say we
You
not have
tell
no
me
money
boy you have
problem.
no money problem and you tell me say you want to hold that.
Alright, watch her. Me have 300,000 I get 10,000 out time.
You change it 1,000. You
Just-
change it 1,000.
Yeah, go on.
And you
Right
can
now.
short man money and you change it
I know
1,000.
me, I girl
You
in
can
I
tell me
bank.
boy
Me
you have.
tell the girl say me want 100,000. 100,000. You sure say you never take out the 10 grand?
I talk about take out 10 grand.
Oh, yeah, Musa.
How me I move you? Watch out now, man.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
watch out now.
yeah,
You come
move
tell me.
away.
Come here, man. How you go? You know bad boy. You tell me a thing and now it be a problem. What go on? You have 100,000 in this but yet you have to go to bank for me money for give me.
Yo, watch her now.
Yeah,
Despite
listen
that
me.
one, me have connection and linking, and nobody feel like me think.
There's
just
something to
because-
connect you with, you know? There's something to... Mama! Oh, wagwan! Yes, I'm going to link you. How you feel, so?
What your problem?
So I never call you and tell you, from what you realize you deal with me strong, you know. Call by phone me and talk and you deal with me like say you me a stranger to you, what me? And what you realize your action, but me not say no, and really that me reach up and say, what? You know, please see me.
Balvi.
Talk Them me don't know me name. Me know me name enough for your boy, so me don't like how you deal
Why
with
you
me
calling
attitude
me?
and
Why you
$1
calling
something.
me? Why you
I try to show
calling?
you say me making money. And me say, yo, me have to go somewhere nice. What you think all that? And you have to tell me you're there, you know.
That sound nice.
Mm.
That sound good.
Sound good.
So where you get your
Ja,
money
ja.
from?
I'm going to tell you my phone already.
Oh, I forgot.
I'm a contractor. I get a big contract to deal with some place and something. So, you know, I get piece of food for you. I really like.
So where want we to go?
Well, I mean, even I consider all of that thing. Because I told long, I not touch road certain way. I even remember certain places, you know, like road like that. And you have to tell me that you're there on the road every day, man.
Well, me have a couple places in mind. I'm not sure.
In
so.
mind?
Yes.
Jaja, that's
So
so.
I always want to go.
I always want to go. Jaja.
Oh, that sound.
Not so bad, but how is that?
Out of town.
Out of town.
Yeah.
The two like left my place still out of town.
Come on, enjoy. We are gonna enjoy ourselves. We one time not gonna kill we. We just live go somewhere far, go enjoy ourselves and come
Right now.
back.
At least a bag guys money in her. Just put it down in the house. So put it down in the house. Put it down in the house.
So you not show more.
Yeah, no bother.
More see what in there. So yeah, move so. But Bulby, come here. Be honest with me. And me and you alone there, so. No ears, nobody in there, so. Bulby, how you come by money? Listen, think before you talk to me.
I have to think me know your answer because I want contract me get and me tell you more than one time. A contract what me do, contract me get.
Contract work with this?
No, that different something that. A different something that.
Why in there? And you give me bag? You know say in there.
Me give you back cause you constant, you like you consist with what I want to go on in there. You see me? I never tell you looking at it. Tell you put it down.
If you go be me man, you know, I want to know what really are going on, you know. I can't do with a liar, you know. You have to come straight forward to me.
You know what I'm saying? I real life though. First me you say me your man though. First me you say me your man, you know. Jaja. Alright. Watch out now. See what you see in there? I want to look at transaction go on with it.
I don't understand. Let me understand.
I want to look at mission happen with it. And me come by in a period of time.
So Bulby, I saw you plan to live the rest of your life?
Yeah.
Huh?
If my son me plan, when me change the child be a better person. What you say? You look for me and say. You know remember don't?
Oh, so I contract give you the money.
Then no.
At this give you the money.
Take time talk the girl.
Nobody now hear me.
You don't know that. Take time talk.
They know what me a talk about? They don't know what me a talk
No,
about.
me a
At this give you money, don't it?
Then when me go get money, that give you money, that I give you money nowadays.
You're still alive to me, but
Oh, me a lie
you can
to you.
say you're alive to me. Why you do this?
Judge.
Alright, obviously you're not my man then. You're my man, yes or no? And tell me.
Then me not tell you everything we need to know. What else you need to know? Nothing more than that for me. You want me to go tell lie for myself?
Bulby.
You want me to tell lie for myself?
Bulby.
Myself want me to tell lie.
Bulby. At this give the money, be honest.
Well, that I give you money nowadays.
Yes.
No, me
Because
have
when
to
I
work
do
for it.
certain
No,
crime,
me have to work for it.
yes.
Me put in, me dedicate myself to achieve the money there.
What kind of dedicate to do?
You're pushing now, you know, you want to know too much, you know. I mean, I try
Me
to
and
tell
your
them.
woman, me supposed to know
me understand what
everything.
you say, but yeah.
You don't trust me, then this don't make no
say me
sense.
don't trust you, but me I tell them, it's like you want me to tell a lie. It's like a lie you want me to tell. Me I tell you, say you.
I contract you the money. That's what you tell me, don't.
Yeah, man, 390,000 now come by. So easy na them a time right now, you know. You see?
Yes.
So, contract, give me. Yeah, smile too much in a girl. I'm not just the smile and I walk on.
Call guy. Guy. Shit. Oh my God. Oh. Father God. May I ask if you forgive me.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
See that now? Ready? Go on. Start. Ready? Mark, I see camera.
Talk first now. Yeah, that. Rum, you don't know, say I'm all representing.
Come again. Well, we don't go so close. Look ahead and cut out. Alright. Let's go.
Let me step up there, so we go some else. Walk up there.
We're going to talk. I mean, before we talk. You're going to talk first and then fall back and put them on hand.
Why?
Ready? See that now? Ready?
Yeah. I'm putting them on hand.
Action!
Yeah, guys, you don't know it's America, and I'm here with another movie called Bad Power.
Business!
Yeah, and this is a wrap.
Episode 3!
It is a wrap, guys. This is the final, last season. So,
Episode, what season?
No,
I'm checking your season.
Rum!
episode, guys.
The one representing for things we hide and all things that just like things we hide.
Forward. No, bad for business. All things we hide, boss. No, we don't hide nothing. Yeah, man, bless up on the stage. We don't know some. Hold on. Yeah, man, we don't know some public report representing for the people. You know what I mean? And some family, yeah. You know what I mean? You have America, you have ISIS,
Yes.
and you have Bulby 101.
Yes.
You don't know everybody that's been a part of the film, thank you know. And you know, this is like, yeah, the episode 3 when we done it, there's some badness, no pay, you know what I mean? Even though it pay, but you know, really pay.
Never spend a dollar to my spliff.
You know what I mean? She's for the streets. You know what I mean? Hey,
She's not for me.
I'm here for the street. I dropped my man. Guys,
say
remember
big up
to
your
go
whole
over America TV. Go like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend. Bulby 101. Yeah.
JNU Plus.
Official.
Official.
On
Yeah.
YouTube.
Tell him.
Yeah. JNU Plus on YouTube. One JNU Plus official on TikTok, on IG. And tell a friend. Say, remember, say Bulby 101 still here waiting for you to comment and like and share, you know? Right.
Remember, it's the final episode. Don't ask you no more. No man come.
Yeah, man, you done this.
Yeah.
Nigga. Not true.
Burn up.
We are done this. Burn up.
Yeah, just back for business. She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty, this by the spiritual analogy. Some days she's happy, some days she's sad, some days all she thinks about is money. She's on a mission to fulfill her goals. Her heart remains so icy cold. Mama wasn't there for her, Papa wasn't there for her. There's no family that she could call. Some family is bad for business when there's no one to call. Who feels it? She's for the streets, just living life with no apology. Yeah, free from poverty, despite the spiritual and